request of the United States government. Unknown spacecrafts with extraterrestrial creatures have been spotted in multiple locations. These creatures appear to have gemstones in various locations which appear to be their life source. They also have access to advanced technology. These creatures are not friendly, they have hostile intentions and want world domination. The creatures have been reported attacking and capturing civilians. Seek shelter in a basement or any other underground shelter immediately. If you cannot find or have access to these shelters, hide in a sturdy, secure concrete building. Do not attempt to make any contact with these creatures, as doing so may risk your life and safety. President Donald Trump will be making a speech regarding the situation momentarily. All regular TV and radio broadcasting will halt for this special announcement.